SSC MTS Recruitment 2024 Notification for MTS and Havaldar Vacancy. SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, has released the latest notification for multitasking staff, MTS, and Havaldar vacancy. Eligible candidates can apply for the SSC MTS Recruitment 2024-25 from the official website at https://www.ssc.gov.in. Starting from 7th May 2024. All details related to SSC MTS Recruitment 2024 are given below. SSC MTS Recruitment 2024 Overview. Name of Organization, Staff Selection Commission SSC. Last date 6th June 2024. Total vacancies, notify soon. Name of the post, MTS and Havaldar. Mode of application, online. Category, Central Government Jobs. Job location, All India. Official website at https://www.ssc.gov.in. Eligibility criteria. Age limit, SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. First, MTS and Havaldar in CBN, Department of Revenue. The candidates should not be less than 18 years of age and not more than 25 years of age. As on 1st January 2024. Second, Havaldar in CBIC, Department of Revenue, and few post of MTS, the candidates should not be less than 18 years of age and not more than 27 years of age. As on 1st January 2024. For OBC candidates, 3 years plus. For ST candidates, 5 years plus. For SC candidates, 5 years plus. For PWBD candidates, 10 years plus. Educational qualification, SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. Candidates must have passed matriculation examination from the recognized board as on or before the cutoff date. Application fee, SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. General candidates, 100 rupees, OBC candidates, 100 rupees, EWS candidates, 100 rupees, ST candidates, no application fee. SC candidates, no application fee. Female candidates, no application fee. Payment mode, online. Selection process, SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. Computer-based examination, CBT, Physical Efficiency Test, PET, Physical Standard Test, PST, only for the post of Havaldar. Exam pattern, SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. The computer-based examination will be conducted in Hindi, English and in 13 regional languages viz. Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Computer-based examination will be conducted into sessions, Session 1 and Session 2, and both the sessions will be mandatory to be attempted. Not attempting any session will disqualify the candidate. There will be no negative marking in Session 1. In Session 2, there will be negative marking of 1 mark for each wrong answer. Computer-based examination, Session 1, Subject, Numerical and Mathematical Ability. Question 20, marks 60. Problem solving and reasoning ability, Question 20, mark 60. Duration 45 minutes. Session 2. General awareness, 25 questions, 75 marks. English language and comprehension, 25 questions, 75 marks. Duration 45 minutes. SSC Havaldar PET and PST. Walking, male, 1600 meter in 15 minutes. Female 1 kilometer in 20 minutes. Height male 157.5 cm, female 152 cm. How to apply for SSC MTS recruitment? Interested and eligible candidates can apply online for SSC MTS Recruitment 2024 by visiting the official recruitment portal. They can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Scroll down, go to the description box and comment box. Step 2. Click on the online application link form link. Step 3. A new web page will open. Step 4. Enter all your personal and educational details as required. Step 5. Upload your passport size photograph and signature and other required documents. Step 6. Pay the application fee as per your category and finally click on the submit button. Step 7. Don't forget to take the print of the submitted application form. Important dates SSC MTS Recruitment 2024. The SSC MTS exam notification will be released on 7th May 2024 and the dates for the online application forms start from 7th May 2024 and the last date for the online application form is 6th June 2024. SSC MTS exam dates July to August 2024. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.